Hello, dear student. Today we are going to start a very interesting and new chapter, Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe is a very good novel. It is written by Daniel Defoe. Daniel Defoe is 18th century novelist, is a very famous novelist as well. This present story is also taken from the novel only. Robinson Crusoe is autobiographical novel actually, because Daniel Defoe is a very he was very interested in voyage in sea journey, and that's what he has taken the example of that particular novel. And from that novel we have one chapter here in our class 5th standard. So let's go for the chapter. Robinson Crusoe, what he was moving one day through the sea, as we call it voyage. He was traveling by the sea. Suddenly what happened? The storm has come, storm has arrived, and the storm has break that ship completely. Now when the ship was broken, at that time Robinson was lost in the sea, and he could not swim as well there in the sea because the storm was so strong. So suddenly what happened? He reached, suddenly means after many years, many days, he reached to the particular island. After reaching there, he started living his life because he could not connect to anyone else. He was alone there, and he was missing for the company. He longed for the company. Company means what? A friend. He was actually in need of a friend, but he did not get there. But what happened then? One day he discovered a footprint. Footprint is actually a print of a human here, not anybody else, not animal, a human. So after discovering the footprint on the sand, what has happened to him? That's what the thing was really, tough for him. So after discovering footprint, what has happened to him? That thing we are going to discuss in this chapter. This chapter has taken from a novel, Robinson Crusoe. Remember that. Okay. Now let's see what he has done after discovering a footprint. I will not go line by line story reading here. I will be telling you this short summary. Just make a note of this. So what happened? He was moving towards his boat. He means what here? I that is Robinson Crusoe. So he was moving towards the boat and he was surprised. He was surprised to see the footprint. The footprint was on the sand, and that also of a man. So footprint of a man was there on the sand, and it was very amazing thing for him, surprising thing for him. He listened. He tried to listen something, that something is getting or not, but he could not hear anything. He could not see anything. He cannot see, he cannot hear, and because of that reason he got more confused, and it was trouble for him. He went up, he went up, he went down, he looked here, he looked there, but he could not find anything. Nobody was there. And the most important thing was that was only one footprint he can see there, not the other footprint. Because see, if there is one footprint, then basically the other footprint also will be there. But the point was the other footprints were not there, that only one. And because of that one footprint only, he was confused. So he was trying to search that exactly what is happening, why there's only one footprint. And it was a complete print of a man only, because toes, heel, all the part of man foot was there, human footprints were there, and he could not imagine that how it has come there. And that's why he was so much of confused. He was thinking and thinking and thinking. And what happened then? The more he was thinking, the more he got confused. That was the problem came to his mind. So what happened then? After searching a lot, what happened? He returned back to his home. And when he returned home, he was so much frightened. He was frightened. He was fearful. He was scared. And when he was running to his house, at that time, when he looked back here and there, when he see the trees and the bushes, that he think that the trees and bushes to be a man, because that is they are actually the trees, but in his mind he is thinking that they are actually the human. That's all fear, when you are so much fearful, when you are frightened at that time, you also imagine the same thing, like that. When you go at night 12 o'clock outside, definitely the same thing will happen with you. If you look at the stones and the trees there, you will think that somebody is sitting there, but actually nobody is there. They are the things which you see in the day as well, but the night you have some imagination and the fear as well. The same thing also has happened with Robinson, that he was, he could not imagine. He was so much fearful, and that's what every tree and bushes he was thinking to be a man here. So when he reached his cave means his castle, his call, his house, and he could not remember that, how he reached in his house, how he came into his house, whether he's climbed the steps, whether he jumped into the house, whether he removed the rock aside. He could not imagine all that point, how he reached in the house, and he thought that somebody is chasing me, somebody's coming behind me, somebody's following me. That point was complete, in his mind, and because of that he could not overcome that. Okay, and that was really a bad thing for him, that he could not overcome his fear. Okay, fear was there in his mind, and in that fear could not even tell him that how he came in that particular cave, his castle. He was so much frightened. Now what happened then, that day he ran so fast that any animal could not run, that more faster than the animal he ran that day. And whole night he was thinking, he could not sleep that night. Basically, why he will sleep? Because he has a fear now in his mind, and he is thinking of the footprint only, that how the footprint has come there, whose it is, how it has come. These questions were coming in his mind, and because of that he could not overcome on that. So he thought, and he was no more and more confused. The more he was thought, the more he was afraid. The same thing, nowadays, if you look at the disease COVID-19 corona, the more you think of the disease, more you get, frightened. My God, these many people are getting detected, infected. The more you think, the more you get, curious. We can say fearful as well. So you must have to, away from that, and just keep doing your work. That's more benefit for this. I think so in this COVID-19 disease as well. So he was wondering, the Robinson also was so much thinking that how the footprint has come there, and that footprint could not allow him to think any other things as well. He could just imagine that same only, and he wonder now, if he wonder that how it has happened, that how out of the sea it has come, and in a small boat, how it has happened. So, and what he's saying then, luckily I was not there on the sea. Luckily, I was not there on the sea, because if I would have been there, then that savage means what here? The wild man. He is thinking that the particular footprint of a savage. And if I could have been there at that time when that man came, then he would have killed me as well. So he was so much praying to the God. He is saying thank you to the God. Thank God that I was not there at that time. And he prayed for his protection, because he wants to be there on that island alive. He doesn't want to be killed, and that's the reason that he's praying to the God. Oh God, please forgive me, or save me, protect me. That's the requesting he's doing it. Okay, and what happened then, he lay fearful there for next few days. After that, what happened then, he himself started thinking that how many days I'll be in the house. And because of that reason, he became so much confident. He became so much somewhat confident, bolder, and he came out of the house. He came out of the house to just investigate, to search, to think exactly what particular footprint is that, how it has come there. So he wanted to see that. Okay, so he went forward, and he looked there, and he frequently, again frequently means many times, again is looking back in front, that somebody is coming or not, and that fear, could not make him alive. That particular means, that particular area, he was just looking here and there, and that was the confusion of them. And for 2 and 3 days he was looking forward, and he became more bolder and bolder. And one day, what decided, he went to that footprint there on the sea to search that which footprint is and how it looks. So he went there to examine, to look closely, to search it. So he went there, and he decided to measure, means to take a measurement of that footprint, whether his footprint, the Robinson Crusoe's footprint, and the sand footprint which is there on the beach is coming or not properly. So he started to measure that. But what happened, when he came closer to the footprint, he realized, okay, what he realized, that he realized that the footprint which is there on the sand is bigger. It is bigger than his footprint. His footprint is small, and which footprint is there on the sand is more bigger. and because of that reason he got more confused. Oh my god, then the savage is exactly is big one than me as well, because my footprint is smaller than him. And again the fear returned. So again he got so much frightened, fearful, and that's what he was again confused there. And he was thinking that how it has come there, it would be not my footprint, because I have not come to this part of the beach. Of many days have happened, since many days I have not come to this part. So this is not my footprint, and because of that reason his fear returned. And again he went home back again, came running, and believing that there was someone in that particular island, and the island was inhabited, that he thought that somebody is living there. Inhabited means it is inhabited means somebody is living there. Okay, so that's what the thought, fearful, could not could not make him sleep, could not let him sleep as well. He was so much disturbed as well. But actually, there was no footprint. There was a footprint, but it was his only, because of the sea beach. It was vanished, and only one footprint was remaining there, and that's what the confusion was in mind. And after that, he started living there confidently. That's what the story of Robinson Crusoe was. I hope the story is clear to you all, dear student. Thank you so much.